Here's my sister.
Good morning.
We're about to go to Cambodia. I've just booked the Grab. And we're going for 5 days. 3 days. I'm lying. 3 days. And I'm really excited. Michael's in there. Come and say hello.
Hello.
We're going to Cambodia for 3 days. I thought it was 5. And I'm really excited. And we're going to go to the airport. And I'm just going to show you everything.
Looks like a monster.
Probably can't hear you. Nom nom nom.
What's 1,364?
It's expensive, that's what it is.
Read it to me.
3 matcha latte.
Read it to me.
Hold on, I'm gonna...
Same price.
Same as that.
They've got us 3. Songkran.
Songkran.
Song.
42.
Uh-huh. Thank you. Might be like her.
Oh, they just saw you correct it in time.
Matcha latte with oat milk. How do you find Thai tea?
It's very nice. It's a little bit sweeter than I thought, but it's still got that like sort of black tea undertone to it.
Poppenka. Blue.
So we'll have only had like 13 proper episodes where he's actually the Doctor and he's gone.
Yeah.
I just think it's too short.
It is quite short for Doctor Who as well. Yeah. I was trying to get
You got me rambling about Doctor Who.
a nicest. I was going to mute it anyway, just as a part of the you know. But then she's thrown trees everywhere, and then she just went.
I didn't realise I did that when I'm particularly hungry.
Don't change, I think it's cute.
Little head. Aye. And then your little head. Moto. It's New Year in the Buddhist calendar. However, I knew this for Thailand. However, Thailand just continues doing everything that it does. And we've been informed that all of the tours and things are not on because of the New Year, which makes a lot of sense. However, I just didn't think of that because the New Year hasn't stopped things happening in Thailand. Anyway, so we have booked to see Angkor Wat. #holiday. Oh, that's really cute. You look like best pals right now. Oh, that's cute. Oh, Auntie, your arm looks like it's detached from your body. Just need to smile.
Cool.
Yeah, stop doing it then. Just wave here. Okay. Don't mind me. Outfit this night, please.
My dress is from Zara, which I bought from the charity shop. Shoes are second hand from Vinted, I don't know where they're originally from. Bag is Uniqlo that my sister got me. This hair clip, I believe it's from Asda. And that's it.
Do a twirl, please. Michael, your turn.
This is from Next. This is from Next. My socks are from Next. My boxes are from Next. And I'm wearing knickers.
Nice. I don't know where this is from because a friend gave it to me. These are Cruises. This is Uniqlo. Hell yeah. That's it. What's it called again?
I'm off.
So I think it is steamed in like banana leaf.
Yeah. Is it mousse-like?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think these long bits are the torso.
Oh, that's very fresh. It's like tiger and curry. Khmer curry with tofu. It's just gone 4 AM. Getting ready to go see the temple at sunrise. Can I please have some toothpaste? Thanks, I'll see you in 5 minutes. They got the goods. Good morning. Good morning. It's 33 minutes past 4 and we're just waiting for the tour guide. Yeah. Excited! As you can tell, we're really excited. We came in through the elephant gate and now we're cutting across the grass. And you can see the temple in the distance. Guys, turn around. Oh. Angkor Wat. My sister, Michael. If you look in my eyeballs, can you see that it's 5 o'clock in the morning? Look at those eye bags.
We both look shattered.
We look tired. Oh my god, no, my eye bags are actually not okay.
Mine as well. I think it's just the way our face is.
Yeah, it's also genetics. I've built these for 24 years, so
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah, I feel like
If you're unaware, this is how many people are waiting for the sunrise, and this is the same every day. We're really, really sad because the sunrise didn't happen because of the clouds. So we're really sad.
So cast now will finish in 16 seconds. Can you please try to find the God writing on the calendar? That is a war. And once you get to the restroom, so it's easy to get them from here because of a lot of people. Be careful, my Chong family, he can go to me. Just ignore. Don't. More beautiful than you can see. Yeah? You can say the word Okay, family. Oh my God! Wow.
Michael's like, can I take some pictures on your phone? Temple Run. Come on. This is a cool shot.
Holy statue of our Brahma. Like
We're going to Kulen Waterfalls.
this one, public. This one is lychee fruit. So Kulen is there's a lot of fruit, lychee fruit on this mountain. That's why they call it
Tar.
lychee mountain. It has a really
Sour?
Very.
Really?
Yeah.
You can try this.
What's it called again? Kui.
Try this lychee. This mountain. It takes about 10-minute drive to the cliff.
Wow. Terrified of these gaps. Oh yeah, I didn't think of that. Yeah, it is. Whew. I think we're gonna listen to John, yeah. We're going over here. Oh, do a little twirl. This is the head of the turtle. This is the body of the turtle. Anthea doesn't want to go in the hole, to be fair. On the cliff. Yeah. How was the turtle's head?
It's good.
Yeah?
Very hot over there.
Yeah. I like the rocks a lot. It looks like a footprint. Oh my god. I'm terrified. I'm terrified. I'm terrified. I'm terrified. I'm terrified. I'm terrified. Ah! I can't do it. I can't get close to the edge.
What do you want to do?
I just wanted a video of my feet next to the edge, but I can't make myself do it. This is as close as I can do. Isn't it really scary?
Please don't.
There we go, done.
I'm very sure on my feet.
I'm not. thumbnail.
The one,
Oh my goodness. Here we are at a fantastic waterfall, and here is Antje and Michael. So this is what I look like after playing Songkran. We were supposed to just go for a meal, and then we realised, oh, everyone outside has water guns today. So they get baby powder and put it on your face as well. I did make the silly decision of putting mascara on before I left, however, apart from that, it was really fun. People like came up to you and put this on your face, and it was so lovely. Like, I've had Songkran in Thailand, but here everyone's so gentle, and like someone came up behind me. Hold on, I'm gonna try and like show you what this person did. So someone came up behind me and cupped my face and said Happy New Year, and like literally did this to my face, but like in such a soft way. It was so nice. It's really nice in Thailand as well, to be fair, and we go home tomorrow, so when we're in Thailand again, we're gonna see a bit of Songkran. But so fun. I do need a shower now. Very fun. 6 people got me with baby powder, and I wasn't counting how many people got me with the water. I wasn't counting. What did you get? Strawberry? Ooh. Avocado.
Yes, please. Thank you.
I see some meat, egg, bacon, and cheese.
Yep. Thank you.
Thank you. Wow. Oh. Wow. Fantastic bagels, and now we are going back to the hostel to get a grab to go to the airport to go back to Thailand.